How concerned are you about climate change in Porthcawl?
I'm not.
Not concerned.
It's important here as anywhere.
It's a bit scary, knowing our future, but hopefully we can change that by all just coming together.
Probably different politics to you, but thank you.
The survival of our species has become a political football.
One thing that is pretty certain is that whatever we do, sea levels are rising.
I think we're, as a society, trying to be business as usual. I think at some point we're going to have to make some bigger changes.
Why isn't there more action? Why isn't there more things that are changing?
The imperative now is to decarbonise our energy system. That's a challenge for governments, but it's also a challenge for all of us, and all of us have to play our part in that.
I would love Wales to be the centre of alternative energy.
We have the ability to produce low-cost energy and everybody will benefit.
So a lot of people cannot survive in this economy, and a lot of people aren't surviving in this economy.
How can we, as young people especially, and as in smaller communities, make changes? I think that's what we want to know.
It's a sight, isn't it? Cliff ahead. And there's all these warnings, cliff ahead, slow down, slow down. But actually, as you said, people are just walking blindly into a major problem. Might sound negative, but that's my outlook. Anyway, nice speaking to you.
Yes, you too.
I'll get some crib.
Thank you very much.